Hi, I'm Bob Peterson, and welcome to our video blog. Our topic today is ignore at your own risk. Many of us walk by our home's emergency warning signs because they've been there for a while, and we just don't see what can become a serious and very pricey repair. Here are 3 red flags you don't want to miss. Watch out. Old hot water heaters can fail and flood your house. Most here in Memphis area are in the attic, and water always follows gravity. A rusty pan or rusty bottom of the heater indicates the beginning of serious deterioration and trouble. Pan alarms and automatic shutoffs are available at Lowe's and Home Depot from $125 to $150. Gutter cleaning is a must. The full gutters from the fall leaves and debris creates wood rot behind the gutter. Very costly repair. Gutters can be flushed out with a garden hose or hire a professional because there is liability for injuries on your property. What about those dirty dryer vents? That stuff is flammable. The danger signal is when it takes longer to dry your normal load. The dryer lint starts to clog the vent pipe and create a fire hazard. The best solution is to take an old t-shirt, connect it to a long wire that can be pulled through the dryer vent from the outside back towards the dryer. Some home builders put the dryer vent to exit the house through the roof, and that requires that you must open the vent in the attic and clean both up and down until you get back to the dryer. Want our help? Give us a call or email us your name and phone number. And if you have a question, please don't hesitate to let us know. And thanks for watching this video.